I do think it's something that it's well earned. I've overcome many different obstacles, especially as of lately.
It's about that time of year that I update my hair color and my hairstyle. This is how it's looking right now. You see a few months ago, I lightened it a little bit, gave it a little copper touch to it. I wanted to try this Colorsmith kit. You take an online quiz and they customize the hair product and the hair color specifically for you. You see it has my name on it. Each kit also comes with 2 pairs of gloves and the application is very simple. You just mix it in there, shake it around, you start applying it to your hair. I noticed it doesn't have a strong scent to it and a little goes a long way. I have a good amount of hair, so I just had to make sure I disperse it evenly and make sure I put it all in there. And then using the gloves, I had to lather it around. It didn't cause any discomfort, it didn't cause any irritation, and the results are clearer than ever, and I'll let them speak for themselves. Look at the beautiful brown that I have now. And all it took was 15 minutes. I applied the product, waited 15 minutes, got in the shower, washed it, rinsed it out, and look. It also didn't stain my curtain or the shower, so if you're looking for a hair refresher, if you need some new dye or a new hair color, I recommend you check out Colorsmith.
I've never been this confident before. I do think it's something that it's well earned. I've overcome many different obstacles, especially as of lately. I know what I'm here for. I know what I want to bring to my art and my work. And I understand what I want to bring to the industry. This body of work, it's a lot different compared to everything else. Not because there's emotion. I think that I've always had emotion in this side of me, in music, film. But I think what makes this different from everything else and why this body of work feels so much different is because of the title. And it's something very real. Survivor's guilt is unlike anything that I've ever felt before. There's many different times that I should have lost my life and I didn't. But of course, growing up and going through certain things that I've experienced over, the last year or two, nothing has been as close to experiencing what survivor's guilt actually feels like until as of lately. It's something that I've been familiar with, but it wasn't something that I could define until now. This is peak survivor's guilt, and it's something that I've been carrying. It's something that this is the title of this chapter in my life. Someone asked me if you could title this chapter in your life, what would it be called? Survivor's guilt is all that I said. If you can relate to anything that I've said through this body of work, you might have it too. I'm really happy that I've been able to overcome a lot of different things and adversity. But I don't know if survivor's guilt is something that you ever overcome. I taught myself before I had to learn.